5 side hustles specifically for women. These side hustles are super easy and free to start. And in fact, number 5 is my personal favorite because you can earn money passively once you set it up. Become a personal mystery shopper. A lot of businesses want to know what the customer experience is when people come into their stores, whether that's online or in their physical store. They want to know how their customer reps are doing, how their cashiers are doing, and they pay people to be mystery shoppers, to walk into the stores, buy a few items, and document their shopping experience. There are tons of websites out there where you could sign up to become a mystery shopper and start generating income to do something a lot of us already enjoy doing. Number 2, become an Amazon associate. Every time your favorite influencers talk about a product on Instagram or YouTube and they put a little link so you can buy it, they get a little cut from that. And especially if it's linked to Amazon, they're getting a little commission from it. They're getting money. So you can absolutely do that. Yeah, you can become an Amazon associate. Normally, to become an Amazon associate, it's free, but you need to have an audience. I mean, you don't have to have a huge audience, but you need to have an audience probably on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or any kind of website or Facebook, social media. Number 3 is to start your own YouTube channel. A lot of people, young and old, are starting their own YouTube channels about things that they are really passionate about. It's possible to earn a lot of money making YouTube videos from the comfort of your own home. Number 4, become a personal shopper. There are rich people out there who don't want to do their own shopping, and that's where you come in. There are many websites that can connect you to people who don't want to do their own shopping and with personal shoppers, and you get paid to do this. Number 5 is to write your own book. You can write your own book or become a ghostwriter. Yes, you can actually self-publish your own book. You can become a self-published author using Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. It's free and super simple to write your own book on a topic that you know about. The ghostwriter writes for someone who is too busy to write for themselves. People hire ghostwriters to write books and blog posts, even scripts for videos and podcasts. If you like writing for fun, then you might as well start generating income from it. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.